In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use TradingView Desktop App. First, download the desktop app from the official TradingView website and run the installer. Using the official site ensures you get the latest, secure version that matches your operating system. Once installation finishes, launch the app. On first open, click Sign in with Browser. This opens your default browser, where you'll log in with your TradingView credentials. After you authenticate, the app links to your account automatically, bringing over your saved charts, watch lists, and settings so everything feels familiar. The desktop app works just like the website, but with powerful window management in the top right. Use the Layout button to choose or save a chart layout. You can open a new window for a second chart or an entirely separate workspace, which is great for multi-monitor setups. Drag windows to different screens and arrange them to keep higher timeframes on one side and lower timeframes or related markets on another. To load a market, click the symbol box at the top or simply start typing while the chart is active. You can search stocks, crypto, or forex pairs and then pick the exact listing you want. If you track multiple exchanges, glance at the exchange label to ensure you've selected the right one. Next, set your time frame and chart type from the top toolbar. Choose anything from 1 minute to monthly views. Candlesticks are standard for price action, while line charts help you spot broad trends quickly. You can favorite your go-to timeframes to switch faster during active trading sessions. Add indicators by clicking Indicators at the top and searching for common tools like moving averages. After adding one, open its settings to adjust length, source, and styling so it matches your strategy. For drawings, use the left toolbar for trend lines, horizontal levels, Fibonacci tools, and patterns. Keep your chart clean by naming or locking key drawings once they're placed. On the right panel, manage your watch list to monitor symbols quickly. Add tickers. Reorder them to group-related markets and remove anything you no longer need. This keeps your focus on the instruments that matter most. Finally, set alerts so you never miss critical moves. Click the small plus near the price scale or create rules directly from the alert menu. Choose your condition, price level, and notification method. Then confirm. Your alerts will trigger even if you are working in another window. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.